Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel and my beauty fashion. How are you friends? I hope you will fine and also enjoying my videos. So friends, today video is very great designing ideas. You will definitely see the video at the end. Okay? So you don't miss any design and any ideas of baby frocks. Friends, I will try my best to show you all new ideas. So please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Friends, after clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos and you will never miss my videos and any collection of my channel. If you like this, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section. Thanks for watching my videos for my channel. Take care of yourselves. See you soon with new collection and new ideas. We will be right back. Bye bye.